Hey, welcome to the show. This is the Daily Science Second Grade by Evan-Moor. This is a nice book. It's nice and thick, full of information. It is 8.5 inches wide. When you open this up, you're going to see all the different units that you have. For instance, this unit right here, the sun, the moon, stars, this will be a 5-week unit. And so you can see all the different units they have. It'll explain everything really nicely for the weekly lessons. Let me just dive right into this unit here. This is why do some plants have flowers? And you can see they have an explanation of day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4, and day 5. So I'm going to give you a look here to see what day 1 looks like. So they label the flowers. Here's day 2, day 3, day 4, and then day 5 will end with some questions. So that's a nice comprehension part of the unit. So I'm just going to flip through here to show you some of the other things in this book. I've used this quite a few times in my classes, really enjoy it. The kids like it. It's nice and simple, easy to teach one of these units. You can always, improvise on it and add to the unit if you want to. So, but overall, I've been very happy with this book. So, hey, thanks a lot for watching the video. Sure appreciate it if you hit that likey button right there, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.